Valletta, a fortress built by knights, sealed in limestone. 5 centuries of sieges and secrets, and most visitors walk right past all of it. Cruise day tourists get 2 rushed hours, a quick photo at the palace, a glance at the harbor, back on the ship before the story even starts. Uvamai's Valletta self-guided audio tour hands you 14 expertly narrated stops across the fortress capital, from the Grand Harbour waterfront to the Grandmaster's palace. For just $6, your access link arrives straight to your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map, ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Valletta, at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand at the Grand Harbour waterfront and hear why each Baroque warehouse was painted a different color by the Knights of St. John. Climb to Upper Barrakka Gardens for the saluting battery and views that once spotted enemy fleets miles offshore. Step into St. George's Square, the ceremonial heart of the Grandmaster's Palace and the National Library, home to a papal decree from the year 1113. Walk Straight Street, once the Mediterranean Fleet's legendary nightlife strip, and Merchant Street, where filigree silversmiths still work today. 14 stops. Your Valletta. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Valletta, not just photograph it. Available in 12 languages. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 14 Valletta landmarks. The fortress capital, told the way it deserves. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.